So we still haven't done your brush. What's that, Mama?
Who's calling you?
Rapunzel.
Where is she at?
She's at her tower.
What does she need?
She needs a brush.
Do you have one?
Somewhere I do. Well, she needs a comb. She needs a comb. What else do you need? Hey, you need some crackers, Mama. Rapunzel needs some crackers.
Okay. We can get her some.
But we don't have any.
Yeah, we do.
Oh. Rapunzel, we have crackers. We're going to get some to you. But we're going to give you some in a bowl because I don't want you to take the whole package. So you need to leave some for us. So, what else do you need? You need an animal blanket. Mommy, we need our animal blanket so mine.
Do what?
Rapunzel needs an animal blanket so mine.
Do I have to make her a blanket now?
Yeah, an animal blanket.
Okay. We could probably find one for her somewhere. What?
Mommy, I want her to take my flower blanket on my animal blanket, on my sleeping bag, on my flower sleeping bag, on my dad's sleeping bag.
Okay, we'll probably have to find her own. Quit hitting that thing with the rocking chair.
What else do you need, Rapunzel? You need a card back? Okay, we're sending you everything you need. Okay, Rapunzel? Okay. And you need a color? Okay, Rapunzel. And you need quiches. And Mom's going to make some for you. But we need to be careful when we mix the shoes. Okay, we'll be careful. Bye. I love you.